Hey friends, you're watching BrainStorm Acres. I'm Henry. Well, I'm back working on the Range Rover right now. I have another part to go find for the dually. There's a little plastic piece that goes into the steering assembly, and that broke. I didn't do anything to break it, it just broke. It was just sitting out, came back, and it had cracked. So that's going to be another adventure. But at least that's coming along. Now in the meantime, I've done some more work on the Range Rover. Now this is the compressor that runs the air suspension for the car. There's a series of valves that are controlled by the adaptive air suspension system controller. And part of the issue with getting this work done was finding out exactly what was wrong with that controller. Well, I got the right parts to reset that controller. I reset the controller, and then I was able to evaluate a few things, but one of the things I couldn't tell was why I wasn't getting air to the airbags. There's a lot of piping for this air system. I used some soapy water to check each of these connections, and there's no leak here, but when I reach down underneath, and I've disconnected this a little bit so I could move it around, but underneath there's another connection that looks a lot like this, and that connection was not connected to this air dryer, because that's what this is. This is to remove moisture from the air going to the rest of the system. Now, this is the first place that the air goes. It goes into this air dryer, comes out the bottom. And the problem with that is that when this is disconnected on the bottom, air leaks out. So, now unfortunately, one of the problems is the car now sits very low to the ground. It's so low, I can't get underneath the front to see if I can connect that air dryer back up. I tried doing it blind last night, and that didn't work. So now what I need to do is jack this car up. I'm going to have to go find a jack stand, because I don't trust laying underneath a car that's been jacked up. And because the air suspension is all the way down, there's no room to get under there to look up to see if I can connect that connector. So that's what I'll be doing now. I'll be jacking up the side of the car, putting some kind of a stand underneath it so that it can't fall on me. And I think I'm also going to block the back of the car so that it doesn't roll while I'm jacking it up. So I'll be going to find a few pieces, and I'll be back.